Good morning, class. Today, we will talk about something very important, our feelings. Do you feel happy sometimes? Sad? Or angry? Very good. Today, I will read a story called Feeling Story Time. Listen carefully because we will guess how the character feels. One sunny morning, Mia went to school. When she saw her friends, she felt happy. "Good morning," she said, with a big smile. Her teacher announced a game. Mia felt excited. "I can't wait to play," she said. While playing, Mia lost her favorite toy. She felt sad and started to cry. "Oh no, where is it?" she said. She looked around and felt confused. "I don't remember where I put it." Suddenly, a loud bang came from outside. Mia felt scared, covered her ears, and her friends jumped and said, "Surprise!" Mia felt surprised. Later, someone accidentally bumped into her. Mia felt angry, but she took a deep breath. When new classmate came, Mia felt shy and stayed quiet. Finally, Mia found her toy in her bag. She felt embarrassed, but she laughed. At the end of the day, Mia learned that it is okay to feel many emotions. Today, we learned that we can feel many emotions: happy, sad, angry, and more. All feelings are okay. What is important is we understand them. So now, I have a question. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. When Mia saw her friends, she felt happy. Correct. When Mia heard about the game, she felt excited. Correct. When Mia lost her toy, she felt sad. Correct. When Mia could not remember where her toy was, she felt confused. Correct. When Mia heard a loud sound, she felt scared. Correct. When her friend said, "Surprise!" Mia felt surprised. When someone bumped into her, Mia felt angry. Correct. When new classmate came, Mia felt shy. Correct. When Mia found her toy in her bag, she felt embarrassed. Correct. So that's the end of our lesson. Goodbye, class.